Good morning, guys. So I'm gonna be eating breakfast, and I usually don't have the same breakfast every day. I don't know why I'm talking so low. Well, I just woke up, I woke up an hour ago. I'm going to eat oatmeal today, so I prepared my oatmeal yesterday and I just put it in this big container so I don't have to keep cooking. But yeah, gonna have some oatmeal today. I usually sometimes, if I don't eat oatmeal, I eat like one egg and like English muffin and fruits. I always have to have fruits. So this is how much I'm gonna eat today. I'm gonna put some bananas, peanut butter, chia seed, and all those good stuff. I think I'm gonna add some more. And I'm just gonna heat this up in the microwave and put some milk too. By the way, today's Tuesday and I'm off today. I will be making Nikki's breakfast too. He said he would want eggs, bacon, and toast. Well, we don't have any toast, so he'll just have eggs and bacon. So the first thing I do, or I try to do and keep up with it, is drink water. First thing, once I wake up. I don't know, it just keeps me more awake. I don't really drink coffee, but during winter time I do drink hot chocolate. But it's summertime and I don't have anything cold drink that flavorful. I just stick to water, and water is so good for you anyway. So I have this bottle. I always keep it full, so I keep drinking, and it's fun, I guess, to drink because everyone loves using straws. And I just love this bottle, so that's what I do. So I have maple syrup, I have milk, peanut butter, and chia seed, and last one, a banana. Alright, so yeah, I always put milk in my oatmeal because I like liquidy oatmeal. I don't like dry. And I usually don't put maple syrup and peanut butter together, but I'm feeling a little sweet tooth today, so I'm gonna put both. So I'm gonna put milk. Let me just show you guys. Milk. And I usually smash it. This amount of oatmeal might be too small, but it fills me up so quick because out of all the ingredients that I put in there too. I'm gonna put milk. So Nikki's so happy that I'm off today, so we get to spend time together and spend the day together. We're gonna finally see Lion King today. So excited. I'm having some peanut butter. I'm gonna use a separate spoon. I have to get rid of this peanut butter because unfortunately I think it has artificial flavor.
What it do, baby?
Actually, it doesn't have artificial flavor. It has roasted peanuts, sugar, hydrogenated vegetable oil, cottonseed, soybean, and rapeseed oil to prevent separation, and salt. I mean, I guess it doesn't have bad ingredients, but it's so, yeah, it says no preservative, artificial flavors, or colors. You can see that. It says right there. So I guess, I mean, it's good, but once I'm done with this, I'm gonna go to organic peanut butter. Hi, Nikki.
Beautiful.
So have that, and I'm gonna put some maple syrup. I'm gonna put you guys down again. What? Right when you wake up? Drizzle it a little bit. Drizzle. I have to wipe that later. And some chia seed. I'm not gonna make it pretty, as other YouTubers make. Maybe a little bit. Chia seed is so good for you. So I'm gonna put a bunch. And I'm also gonna make chia seed pudding next time. I made some before and it's so good. I used it with almond milk though, because sometimes too much milk for me makes me a little, makes my stomach a little iffy. It's not like I'm lactose intolerant, but too much milk for me makes my stomach feel weird. And I'm just gonna chop up some bananas. Alright, like I said, I'm not gonna make it pretty because I'm gonna eat it anyway. Just gonna put it there. Yum. Yummy yum. Wash my hands. And this is how my oatmeal looks like. Peanut butter, drizzle maple syrup, chia seed, banana, and milk. That's my breakfast. Nikki is always looking at me. But I'm gonna taste one bite. So I'm gonna make Nikki's breakfast. It feels weird because this is not really a vlog. I'm just literally showing you guys what I eat in a day. So I'll see you guys lunchtime. Or actually, I don't eat lunch till like 1:32. So I'm gonna probably snack around like 12. So I'll see you guys on my snack time at 12. So guys, it's snack time. It's 10 o'clock, and I was snacking on some peaches, and this is goji berry and cashews. It's so delicious. Goji berry is like superfood, so this is really great for snacking. I usually get hungry around 10, but the best thing eating an oatmeal in the morning, I don't usually get hungry anymore. I will get hungry when it's lunchtime, but when I do, I always pack fruits and either nuts or goji berries. Hey guys, so it's lunchtime, so I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be eating today. Like I said, I don't usually eat the same thing every day. That's gonna be boring, but I'm having some salad today, and I will show you guys how it looks like. So this is the salad. If you guys saw my previous video, I got some Italian, it's called Italian, but it's just chopped up lettuce, and I don't know what type of lettuce. I believe it's romaine lettuce. And I just chopped up some carrots, and I put some grapes and some chopped up bacon, and that's literally it. Oh, and I also put the chipotle dressing that I got in Little. It's organic, so it's really delicious for organic dressing. Okay, so it's dinner time. I'm still using my phone because my camera died. So it's dinner time. It is what time is it? 7 o'clock. So we usually like eat around this time, or sometimes earlier, sometimes later, depends on the day. But so we're having a chicken cutlet, breaded chicken cutlet with potatoes, and I made this Japanese curry sauce. and we have it over rice. It's so delicious. So guys, I'm actually making our food right now. It's gonna be Japanese chicken curry. Hi sweetie. And I'm actually baking too, so I will show you guys what I will be eating for dinner later. I have like all my ingredients right here for baking, and yeah, so I'll see you guys later. So this is our dinner. Nikki's having the same thing. Yeah, as like I said, rice, potatoes, breaded chicken, and just Japanese curry sauce, and that's for our dinner. And I made some cake. I made it funfetti cake. It's vanilla funfetti cake, and I'm having it with, let's see, with chocolate cream cheese frosting, which is delicious. So I think we're gonna have this for dessert. If not, we're just not gonna have a dessert. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. It's a very short video, I know, because it's just, you know, I'm just showing you what I eat in a day. And like I said, I don't eat the same thing every day. Sometimes one day like 0 carbs, one day 1 meal carbs. Like it's different all the time. So, and it depends on like my mood or Nikki's mood, like what we want to eat. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.